Hello everyone, and welcome back to Teardown. Today we're going to be doing more missions. There's some breaking news. I wonder if this was me. The marina and several boats were damaged yesterday. Yeah, that was me. Why do they keep using the same picture? That's a little lazy. They can't use a save file to make it. Right. Now we've shot that, I think we should be able to go. Computer. What's this? There's a lot of tanks. Right. Okay. Some more blackmail. They seem to be the new, more secure type. Heavy lifting. Factory chemicals. God, the police can't just leave me alone. This is constant blackmail. That's what this is. Is this my escape vehicle? A boat is my escape vehicle when I have explored this map before, and I can say that this water leads to nowhere. So fair enough. Press tab. What have I got to steal? Primary target's office safe. So I need to go over there and then make it all the way around here. Well, firstly, I'm of course going to go around there and check it out, because I'm going to need to find what resources I can possibly use. The office is up there. There's a lorry there. A fast car would be great. Right, it's locked. Well, in that case, I am going to... That should have done it. There we go. Taking the lock off. It's in there. Okay. Open? Nope. Yeah, there you go. It's on one of the alarms. So how can I do this? First of all, I think I'm just going to smash a window open. Right, there's loads of bricks there, of course, so this is going to be a little difficult. I am going to use a shotgun to smash this open. It's not as good as I thought it would be. Well, run out of that. Now I'm going to use my blowtorch to just get this off. I have to be closer for that. Oh well, plank. Can I get it up? Well, that's not great. It's hinged onto this one surface. Right, so that's useless. Can't do anything about that. Although I do have still got loads of planks left, so... Yes, I've made some money. Should hopefully be able to upgrade planks with those, because I need them to be longer. Any valuables? No valuables. So what am I supposed to do with this? I'm supposed to drag it. Okay. Well, in that case, this is going to be a lot more difficult. Yeah, the blowtorch isn't going to do anything about the bricks. Huh. Smash the table so it's not in my way. And of course, the bookshelf. There's a chair there, just going to move out of the way. Oh wait, of course, they've got the canisters that I can use to blow it up. It's a good thing I remembered those. Is there some in here? No, that seems locked, and there's a vehicle in front of it, so I can't really be bothered. In here, hopefully. Oh yes, there is. Okay, so I'm gonna smash through the wall, and then basically next to the safe, so I can just drag it along. And then, have I gone too far? Yeah, I've gone too far. I can basically drag it along slightly, or drop down and I drag it along again. Although that doesn't seem like a great idea. You know, that'll do it. For now, at least. I'll just go and get the other one. Well, we have the other one. I'm going to fire it. There we go. Right, that should be enough to get it along. Hopefully. I'm going to build another plank just to secure it. Because I don't want it to drop down to the floor, but actually no, this should be fine. The big massive vehicle, I am going to use that and drop the safe in it, get it round into the circle. Yeah, this is fast enough. This is definitely fast enough. I just got to find some more explosives to open the gate up. Well, that was easy enough. They were literally right there. Anyway, I'm gonna back up. That should be fine now. Get in here. These explosives should do it. I should probably test if it'll open the gate up, but it will anyway if the vehicle comes, even if it's closed. Oh, that affected my health. So, got to drive around here and reverse into the boat. That should be easy enough in 60 seconds. I believe 60 seconds is the time. You'd think in an advanced security system it would go off immediately. Oh wait, yeah, it does in contact. It's 60 seconds until the police arrive. What am I thinking? Yeah. So I am going to get up to the second floor, quick save it, and hopefully I don't have to do this loads of times. Quick save. Right. Let's drag it along. Come on, come on. Oh! Damn. Come on. No, 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 don't get stuck. It's stuck. I'm going to try that again, possibly. And maybe blow up some more. I'm going to have to pull the vehicle away so it doesn't explode. I need something that's intact to pull away. Right. There we go. That'll do it. It should anyway. Did that? No, I don't think that damaged my vehicle very much anyway. Not enough that it would affect the performance of it, at least. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna line this up again. Come on. Now it should just fall in. Quick save again. Actually, I'm going to get rid of this rubbish. Throw the chair into the tree. I can definitely throw that far. Well, I certainly can in this game. And pull. Into the container, drive vehicle. Hopefully I can manage this fast enough. Come on, come on. I should be able to reverse here. Oh, and it goes equally fast. That's good. So I need to back the safe into this circle and escape. Now that's done, new message it seems. Okay. I don't really want to hear from you ever again, but sure. I still don't know how, but Lee found out about the cars and totally overreacted. Just saved the life of those poor cars and he goes completely mental and vandalises my property. Can you believe that? Good thing I'm properly insured. I I thought about ways to get back at him and finally nailed it. The iconic water tower at Lee Chemicals. His grandfather built it with his bare hands, and since it had become a symbol for the entire Lee family, they even use it in their logo type. Making that tower. Ah, I'm destroying one of Lee's grandfather's works. I suppose I have to continue. It's a bit cruel, but oh, I've got my van back. It's not a boat anymore. Bombs? I like this. Oh, I can just open it. No, okay. Just pushing the gate like that just doesn't seem to work anymore. You can only use an escape vehicle. Well, that will do it very nicely. Okay. Start work by doing that. No, it didn't seem to work, that. I'll get the vehicle closer so I don't need to just keep running back and forth. Well, that means it might get caught in the explosions and debris, but that's a sacrifice I'm willing to make. Up it goes. Right. This is going to take a while. Is there anything else I need to do? Nope, there's nothing else. It's simply just a demolition job. I'm actually back to destroying things, which I'm happy about, as the main objective at least. I'm going to want to get onto the top of the factory, or maybe blast my... No, I won't blast my way through there. I'm going to go and... Yeah, I should be able to climb these. Nope, that's not worked. Why hasn't that worked? Just gonna casually throw that at a wall, and it doesn't take any damage. Well, it seems around okay. Now, can I jump up onto these? Yes, I can. It gets me onto the roof up here. I get the feeling what he wants me to do is just demolish the base of it. Oh right, it does just do that. Oh, that's powerful. I like that. Right, so I'm going to have to get round there again and just throw it. That roof is probably the best place to be. So... yes, I am certainly going to want to get to that. Sorry, tanks. I'm going to put you over here carefully, going to make sure not to actually throw it. The shotgun's a decent idea, but it's not got the range for it at the moment. Blowtorch. Just gonna cut the fence, and then I should be able to pull it down. That should go across here. Right, it's now standing up. Oh, I need to get rid of the bottom, don't I? There we go. Standing up on this. Anything else? No, can I just pull it? What's it standing up on? Have that. Please tell me I can just... there again. There we go. Just going to throw it into the water. Or past the water, either one's fine. Drive vehicle. Gonna carefully lower it and drive out. You know, I think this should be after I destroy the rim of it. I can just barge in. I'm gonna get onto the second floor here. Can I open it? Is that valuable? No, it's not. Oh, this should be one, right? No, that's not valuable. I thought it looked like a painting. Bomb. Come on. Can I not? Yep, didn't think I'd take that too much damage. Can I get indoors? Right, so I need to get around the other side. Oh, it would have been so much better if I could just get in there and do it. Maybe I should have started with that. Can I? Yep. Doesn't kill me. Now across here. So we've only got a few more sides now left. Should be able to get a plank. No, that's a blowtorch, not a plank. Right. That doesn't work. Oh, it does if I'm sprinting. So what I want to do is get onto that staircase on the other side. So I'm going to have to climb around the wall. Ah, of course I need to do that. That's holding it up, so I've got to make sure to destroy that. And I've fallen down. There's a fire. There is an actual fire. That's the first one. Oh no, there's going to be a fire alert. Damn it. So I need to get up there as fast as possible. Around here. Gonna jump onto here. Sprint up. No. Actually, I've got an extinguisher. What am I thinking? I need to put out a fire. That's a blowtorch, not an extinguisher. There we go. This has stopped the fire. Okay. Never thought I'd have to be stopping a fire. Well, actually stopping a fire. Not just spraying it all over the place. I like doing that. The good thing is it doesn't run out. Speed up. No. No! Actually, I can just get through here. No, that's not going to work, is it? 'Cause maybe I should just drive through and demolish it. Can this work? I mean, it looks like it is. Also demolishing that building slightly, but hey, whatever. Come on. Go through here. I'm gonna have to pull back again. I've got loads of bricks on my bumper. I'm gonna destroy this. You know, maybe that isn't a good idea. I still need to get up there. Actually, I can use this as just a ladder, can't I? Actually, I can just get up there and use a plank. That's probably a better idea. Right, you can do that. No, it's still not playing ball. Up. Down. No! I am failing at this miserably. It's just normal. Ignore it. That should do it, hopefully. This is the most planks I've ever used in one thing. And it's not even to make an escape route. Now, I'm up. I can't get anywhere. I can't get up on the staircase, so I'm just gonna... 2 bombs. Is it floating? Oh, of course. I have to get up and drop one on there. That sounds like a job for the shotgun. I've got enough ammo. Maybe I could actually get up. No, it's a job for the shotgun. Where? Oh. I really don't like it when it does that. And I really don't like it when I do that. I've got 2 bombs left, that should be enough. If I hadn't extinguished the fire by now, this would have been a way more short mission, and I would have failed, of course. Jump into here. Oh, almost squashed me. It's still 7.8 meters too tall. But now I should be able to just get on the roof of here and demolish it. I need to... Oh no, I've messed the plank. Right. Go on. No! This is... I've made it worse. Damn. Gonna have to find another way. Thanks, chair. I'll pull this out, I think. This is actually, I forgot I had these left, and there should be more around the place. Right, that reduced it by 2.2 meters. Now I've got to get the other side. So I should just be able to walk through here. And this looks like it. No, that didn't do anything. I need to get the middle. There should be more in here. That's where there normally is. Yes. A few more. Nice presents from the guy. And they're going to come very useful. They're going to become my main weapon, I think. I'm going to get onto the ceiling. Not the ceiling, just platform. Well, it's a good thing I have planks. Because otherwise it would have basically just ended here. I think I need to do a few... that's a blowtorch, not a plank. There we go. It's probably a good idea to quick save this, because I don't want to be doing all of this again. I should have definitely done that ages ago. I'm just going to throw that there. Has it reduced it? No. It's still leaning on this roof. This roof is the problem. I may end up having to admit defeat. I don't think there is anything I can do right now. I've messed it up. Not great. Just gonna, well, I'm gonna get the the last canister, and hopefully that makes a difference. It's not gonna make a great one. Oh, there's one more after this. Okay, I was thinking there should have been 3 rather than 2, because that's what there was in the last mission. Now, up the stairs. Good thing is now I can just right through there. That affected my health. I like how the game goes out of focus and in focus of distances. Right, this is the problem. And then soon enough this will be the problem. I failed miserably at this. I should have just bombed the foundation and let it fall. Oh well. I am going to have to abort mission. Do I have the no, that bomb's, I'm assuming, the reward for doing that mission. But now I know there is some more in store after I finish this mission next episode. Oh, it's a lift! I was wondering what on earth this was. That's cool. Got myself a lift so I can get to my kitchen, which I've not used. There's my bedroom. Is it a bedroom? Because my bed's literally there. Can I get in here? Oh. Either way, I'm using my profits to make quite a nice house for myself. I wouldn't mind living in this. It's open and spacious. It's got a lift. That's great. And railway tracks, even if they're not full size. Or whatever. Oh, and I've fallen. You think you wouldn't be able to take damage in the lobby? Oh well. I'd say this has been a fun episode, even though I have failed miserably. And I will see you all later. Goodbye.